So my name's David Corbett, and I'm part of the ICLEI World Secretariat. There I'm an Urban Research, Innovation and Development Officer, so that's my team at ICLEI. And ICLEI's role within the project is as the end-user community manager, so we're essentially designing and implementing the co-creation strategy together with the consortium. So the end-user community, as you said, is really crucial within the Rethink Action project. I think that a unique aspect of it is that it's kind of designed into the project from the beginning to the end. So we started off with building this end-user community, and then we have 6 interactions throughout the project where we're kind of initially collecting their ideas, challenges, and then using these to influence the platform, gradually getting feedback on the platform. And so it's a kind of phased process. And each of the interactions has a really clear connection to a deliverable or a task within the project, which I think is another kind of unique aspect that highlights the importance of co-creation within Rethink Action. So I think this is an aspect that we've grappled with in the project. So for example, making the results really transparent is a big theme. So really trying to show directly how the engagement has led to tangible outcomes in the product itself, in the platform, and how this platform is kind of being adapted to address their local challenges that they've brought to the table. And then I think another key learning was also, if you want to create a truly inclusive process across such diverse case studies, it's important to meet stakeholders where they are as well. And so one of the decisions that was taken was to provide the interaction materials in the local languages of the different case studies. And this is something that really boosted engagement. So the language of the project is still officially English, but the materials are translated. And I think that this has really increased the distribution of different stakeholder groups in each case study and has led to much more successful and rich discussions. I think that this is a really exciting time for the project in general, and especially for the end user community. So as I was saying before, ultimately we want to create a bilateral discussion with the end users, right? And this is the stage of the project where that discussion is really going to the next level, in that we're actually working with them on the platform to get their feedback on their experience using it, any kind of suggestions that they have for the interface, for example. So I think this is an exciting time to get involved as an end user. It's not restricted to the 6 different case study regions. We will also be working with early replicators at a later stage of the project. So right now we've got 2 workshops planned for the remaining time of the project with the end users. And following that, we'll actually have a webinar series where we'll be working specifically with potential early replicators. So this is actually a great time to join and find out more about the platform, and also at this stage you get to experience it for yourself.